What is the mass of a 0.650 mole sample of vitamin C? And we're given the formula of vitamin C because we're going to need to find that molar mass. Anytime we're dealing with going between the mass of a substance and moles of a substance, we're going to use the molar mass. So that's the first thing I'm going to do here for this problem. And so I see I have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. There are 6 carbons, each with a mass of 12.000 grams per mole. I have 8 hydrogens, each with the mass of 1.008 grams per mole, and 6 oxygens, each with a mass of 16.00 grams per mole. And what I'm going to do is add those values up in order to get the mass, the molar mass of vitamin C. And when I do that, I get a mass of 176.06 grams per mole. But note, I'm not done there because this is not a mass, this is a molar mass. It tells me how many grams I have per mole of C6H8O6. Now I need to use that along with the moles of sample I was given in the problem to find the mass of that particular sample. And so when I look at the numbers about trying to decide where to start, I notice that this number only has 1 unit associated with it, and so that's typically where I'm going to start the problem. So I have 0.650 moles of C6H8O6. Now I need to use the molar mass in such a way that the moles will cancel out with one another. And to do that, I'm going to have moles on the bottom of this next step. So I get 176.06 grams per mole of C6H8O6. Now I see that moles of the vitamin C cancel with moles of vitamin C, and the units I'm left with are grams of vitamin C. So now I can simply do the math and multiply 0.650 times the 176.06, and what I end up with is 114 grams of C6H8O6. And this is reasonable. I notice that I have a little more than half a mole of my compound, and what I have is a little more than half the mass of a single mole of the compound.